This is a look. Throw some mascara. Girl, you got yourself a little office look, a little work look, a little soft glam, you know, going to the club. Don't hit on me because I'm married look. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to actually be testing out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. Wait, get it together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monique Flemings and welcome to another Monique Flemings production. Yes, I'm now a producer. Today's video is going to be me reviewing and doing a tutorial on the new Anastasia Amrezy collection. You guys already know she came out with a highlighter, she came out with a palette, she came out with a bronzer, she came out with a lipstick. I don't have the lipstick, but I got all the stuff that I just named. If you aren't already a part of my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It would really make me happy to see my channel grow and just become something bigger, and so that'd be great. If you don't want to subscribe, that's cool too. Just make sure you hit the like and comment if you want to. That'll really help my channel grow, even if you aren't subscribed to it. You guys know how it goes. So I'm just going to jump right into this tutorial and review, and hopefully this is helpful. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope your credit's doing good, and I hope your house is clean. I'm going to see y'all in a minute. Got started. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead. I already have my foundation done, of course, as well as my eyes primed. If you guys want to know what foundation I'm wearing, I actually just did a review on it, and it's a banger. Like, let me just plug this in real quick. It's the Dior Forever Undercover foundation. This is their new foundation, and it is flawless application. Like, I mean, you can literally know nothing about makeup and get a flawless face with this because it just does it for you. Let's get actually into what you came here for, which is Anastasia's Beverly Hills new collection. So I'm going to start off with the powder bronzer. That's actually cute, a bronzer, because it's for brown girls and it's a bronzer. Don't steal my ideas now. I'm going to start off with the bronzer, and I did get this shade Tawny. Okay, yeah, I probably should have got the shade Mahogany. Try to make that work. If not, we're getting a refund. The packaging is Holland, straight Holland. They have little Anastasia Beverly Hills logos on them. I really need my camera to pick this up just this one time, girl. So as you guys can see, these little A's on it. Oh my god, it looks like the Chanel packaging, how it has like the series on it when you have buy Chanel. Like, look at that. I can't believe my camera actually is picking it up. Look at this. I'm Anastasia, Norvina. Why are you out here just giving us this fancy packaging like this? Girl, why are you out here hollering? Like, why are you out here? I'm done. I feel like I bought Tom Ford, like I bought some Chanel, you know, maybe some Estee Lauder. It's just really mature. Like, this packaging, it's very, very elite. Okay, it's very sleek. So let's just open up the products. I will stay here all day talking about how fancy this is. So this is what she looks like. Of course, she has a little film that I'm gonna throw out. And I wish I had one maybe a shade darker, because this is pretty much like my skin tone, but we're gonna make it work, you know. We've been through worse. For bronzing, this is just a BH Cosmetic brush that came in a little kit. And alright, let's push the wig back. You know, it's not for contouring, it's for bronzing. So I think that's maybe why I feel like, let me just go a shade up so that, you know, I don't end up having like a really harsh contour over a contour. I just underestimated how soft this was. This is what it looks like on one side versus the other where I have nothing on. So yeah, it's giving me a little warmth, but I feel like if it was just a little darker, you guys could see way more. So sorry. Moving on, I do like to spray my face before I put on my highlighters, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with this Lila Bia Dewy Face Mist. And usually I use my hangover primer, but I'm trying to look dewy today, so I'm just gonna let that sit in so I can get some glow. Summer's coming back. You feel it. I don't know where you're from. I don't know if you guys are from, but where I'm from in Ohio, it's starting to get a little bit spring vibes. You know, the snow is melting, girl. You can put your winter coat up, girl. It's time to bring out that vest, girl. So comment below where you're from so I can know who's watching my fucking videos. I'm gonna throw on some blush before I do try the Amrezy highlighter. Let's just use some Lovejoy by MAC. And I always over blush. No surprise there. That's why I don't use blush, because I don't know when to stop. Okay, that's kind of cute. That's enough. Let's go ahead and try the highlighter from Amrezy. So this is the highlighter that they paired up with, and look at this packaging. It's so cute. It has all the little stars on it and stuff, like, and it's of course smooth and velvet, just like all of her packaging is. I heard people were sitting here really buying like 10 of these already, and I'm talking about like real people, not like YouTubers, actual people who have jobs, commenting that they are buying, like they're stocking up on this just in case it discontinues or whatnot. I don't know if this is a collaboration that's supposed to be forever or if it's supposed to only have a limited amount. I don't even believe them if they do say a limited edition, because we all know limited edition does not mean limited edition anymore. Limited edition means please come buy this before we tell you that it's sold out, and then we bring it back 2 months later so you can feel like you have to buy it because it sold out last time. Like, that's what this whole mimic is. Like, don't get me on a rant. Don't get me going about limited edition, because it's such a scheme or scam. I don't know which one I'm supposed to say, but it's a ripoff at this point. Like, limited edition is supposed to be like, you don't come back, you're limited. That's the point. And if you do come back, you're supposed to wait for a minute. You're supposed to wait a few years, come back. You know, you're supposed to let us miss you. You can't just keep popping up and call yourself limited edition, okay? You know who. Y'all know who. All these limited edition collaborations out here. I'm going to expose you. It's not true. And it's so petty because we're going to bring it back to the tutorial. So, I don't know if this is limited edition or not, but even if it is, that's between them and Anastasia. This packaging is definitely really cute. I love the gold. So here's a close-up, and it's super champagne, like, just wow. It has like dents in it, like it has waves, so that creates this like pattern that you guys see. Like, it literally is like indented in some areas. Like, some areas are lower, some areas are higher, which is super interesting. I didn't know that it was like that. I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. Ooh. I'm gonna use, let's see what brush I'm gonna use. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, I want to use my Morphe 501. I'm going to start light and build up. At least I'm going to try to. So, just going to put just amount on. And I just like to just like put it on my V right here. So yeah, this is definitely buildable. If you thought that it was like too blinding and it was just going to be like, no, I can't even deal. This is one of those you can go all out, or you can bring it home. Oh, see, look at that. Now I need to be stopped. I'm just gonna put it here too, of course, because you know we gotta accentuate that forehead. And up in her too. Just glow all over, girl. And alright, I think we're good on the face. We're moving to some eyes, so I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer. Okay, so we're gonna go right into the soft Glam palette, and this is supposed to be super soft, like wedding looks, Valentine's Day perhaps. I don't even know, maybe a funeral. So this is what the palette is working with. Okay, should have seen that coming. I feel like that happened when I had the Prism palette too. But yeah, these are all the beautiful shades. This shade right here is really pure. Oh my god. This whole row is just killing it. So I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for. I just know I just want it to be kind of like dusty rose, sultry, maybe rose pink. I'm actually just naming shades that's listed on the palette. Let's just go into burnt orange for our transitional shade, because I know that one and that's my baby. So I'm literally just gonna throw that, just gonna toss that right into my crease and just give myself a nice base. And I'm using a Morphe 511 brush if you guys want to know. And these colors are just as pigmented and easy and blendable as you would expect all of Anastasia's shades to be. So no scandal here. Not today, sis. This is a look. I had to show y'all something, okay? Throw some mascara. Girl, you got yourself a little office look, a little work look, a little soft glam, you know, going to the club. Don't hit on me because I'm married look. This could definitely be a look. We're gonna go into, I don't want to go into Sienna because now I feel like I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, but that is my baby. So I'm gonna hold back and use a new shade, and let's see, maybe Dusty Rose. So I'm going to go to a new brush, and this is a Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm going to go into Dusty Rose, which reminds me so much of, what's that purple shade? Lore. Yeah, it's reminding me of Lore, honestly. I'm going to go right into this rose pink right here, and I know that my nails, I'm missing like a bunch of nails. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? Y'all been there before. I'm in the process of taking off my nails, but I wanted to film a video, so take it for what it is. I don't care about your opinion. I'm gonna take the Smashbox flat shader brush. Oh, she came here to play. I see. Okay. This palette definitely has some really good options for the outer V, but I just feel like none of them are what I'm really going to. Here's my little collection of pink and purples from ColourPop and Makeup Geek. So this is Curfew by Makeup Geek, if you guys want to see the back of it so you guys know I'm not lying, okay? It's just a little bullet brush from Morphe. We're just going to do that into the outer V because this shade is missing just a little. Oh, yes, girl. That is just what I needed. You guys know what I'm singing. I need just what I needed. Dum, 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 dum. And this is a heavy color, so if you do have this color at home, so don't be heavy handed with it because it is a heavy color. You just want to be consistently light handed. So I'm literally just poking myself in the eye. And then I'm just going in and out. I'm following that little triangle that my body has already naturally gave me to trace. Okay, on the end. This is not like this. This is more like this. So don't do this. Do this. You are a beginner and you need those instructions. I don't judge you. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone as well. Ooh, yeah, that's really pretty. And I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Y'all, I have never used another bottom eyeliner on this channel, so don't act surprised. I'm going to use this Bang mascara from Benefit, which I do actually love. This might be the world's best mascara for real. And I am a better than sets like OG. So you're going to use the same color and take this little BH cosmetic brush and I'm just going to smoke out. Back into Curfew, and this is optional of course just in case you don't have this color, but I'm going to take Curfew and I'm just going to put that in the outer V. For lipstick, I'm going to use Love Bite by Kylie Cosmetics. And I've just been wearing this all week, actually. And just touch up where I might have created some harsh lines and whatnot. With a little beauty blender, just bounce around and like smooth out anything that might just get a little effed up. I'm going to spray one more time with face mist from Wild E. I actually got some of that in my mouth. Then I'm going to double back on it. And I'm going to actually spray with some hangover primer too, just to really set it. So we're going to double set today. Okay, this makeup ain't going nowhere. You good. So this is going to be the final look. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to zoom you guys out and come back with my thoughts on all the products. Alright guys, so this is going to be the final look, and I feel like there's nothing really much that I have to say. You guys saw my reaction when I was putting on the products. The bronzer for me is really smooth. It's very buttery. It's actually really nice. The packaging, like, let me just say this packaging better show up every year, okay? I need packaging like this for every product, for every eyeshadow palette, every eyeliner. I don't care what you got. I want just these A's with the background. It's so cute to me. It just makes me feel so sleek. It just makes me feel so elite, and like I just spend my money on something that's very, you know, worth it. I definitely do fuck with the bronzer for sure. You might think that it's not my skin tone, but it definitely did warm my face. I probably could go a skin tone darker, of course, if I want to give way more of a dramatic warmth. But this is definitely going to be really useful. So as far as the highlighter goes, this is definitely worth copying. I don't know if you need to copy 10 pairs. I don't know if you need to stock up because, you know, it's going to be discontinued. I don't know, sis, but it's definitely worth getting one just because it's just like, look at this, you know, like, I don't have to say anything. It speaks for itself. So I do think that the palette is worth trying out if you are HBH friends. If you are looking for brand new shades, this does have some repeats. I think it has Cypress Uber, Sienna, Burnt Orange. Those are all on the Modern Renaissance, which might piss you off because you're like, no, we want new shades. I totally get that. That's up to you. I don't mind having those shades again just because I hit pan on those shades in my Modern Renaissance, so it doesn't, you know, like, upset me to get those shades again. That's fine with me, actually. This collection is really cute. So this is gonna be the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If not, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.